Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on adapt sound on your phone. And this is really cool because you can even customize your own sound, or you can use some of the preset sounds that comes with this phone. And these adapt sounds give you the perfect sound that will tune just for your ears. And I'm going to show you how to easily go ahead and use this because it even works with your headphones. So go to your settings and click on accessibility from the menus there. Then here in enhancements, now you want to scroll down to where you find the adapt sound, and you can toggle this on or tap on it, and it will take you into the features there, and you can turn this on. Now once you turn this on, you see that you can go ahead and you can choose the media. So as you can see, it says adapt sound 4. You can tap on that and you can choose calls only, media, or you can do both. Right then below that, you can see that it shows under 30 years, 30 to 60 years, or over 60 years, or you can even click the plus there to set up your own personalized hearing setup. So you can go ahead and you can do this, and you can always click on the settings for each if you want to use the preset ones, and you can see how it actually set, and you can always make changes to those as well. But that's it, very easy and very simple.